In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the black and white filter on Snapseed. So the process is really simple and straightforward, so let's get right in it. So first thing first, let's add a photo to Snapseed by clicking the big giant plus icon right in the middle. And I want to choose this photo. And right after that, we want to go to the tools option located at the bottom of the screen. We want to click on that. And we're going to just scroll down until we find right here, black and white. Click on that, and we got a bunch of options to choose from. Choose which one looks best on your photo. I think this works really well for this photo. You can also increase the brightness and decrease it by just holding your finger on your screen and moving it to right and left. So like I'm just moving my finger to the right and it's increasing the brightness. When I move it to the left, it's decreasing the brightness. But I want to keep it about 12. This looks great. And once you're all done, you want to click on the tick icon that is located at the bottom right corner of the page to save all of your changes. And that is it, guys. This is how you use black and white filter on Snapseed. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.